Good morning, welcome back to our Stinger modification series. Today we are going to be installing our air-to-air intercooler. We're going to be replacing this one that is up here. We have to remove the bumper to do that, and then we'll be able to get a better shot of what we're replacing. This is a pretty simple piece to install once we get the bumper off, so we will be doing that and then coming back and showing you the next step. Welcome back, guys. All right, so we have removed the bumper now. And as you can see, you have easy access to the cooler. Just a couple of easy steps to do this. First one is there are two hose clamps that are the normal crank down ones that you loosen up on each side to pull the hose loose. Then on the front side, there's two nuts holding on the bracket here and two over here. Once you remove those, the only other items is these two rubber grommets right here, and that just rolls out. The intercooler pulls out, and you can get prepared ready to install your new one. The first thing you are going to have to do, though, is measure out the intake hoses, this piece here against this piece, and trim it to fit. We're going to get that done, and then we're going to go back in and start installing the new one. All right, guys, welcome back. What we wanted to do is do a test mount up just to see how everything was fitting. We did notice that we do have to remove the bottom factory brackets on the support beam also. But this side mounted up just fine and the hose fits really good. But one thing that we do notice on this side, on this hose will have to be removed and also trimmed here and on the back side. So this is really hard to get off. We're going to be working on getting that. But as far as the bolt up, it's very simple. It's just two bolts and one on the bottom, and it's up and going. So we're going to look at our hose and try to get that trimmed correctly, and we'll be back in just a little. Okay guys, so we wanted to show you the finished product here. This was pretty simple to do once you get the bumper off, and I'll just show you the bolts that we did again. So we did cut our hoses, made both clamps on both sides. You have a bolt that holds right here, a bolt underneath, same bolt on the other side. And everything went pretty easy and smooth. Ran into the one small problem with the hose. Other than that, it looks really nice, and this will help improve the performance of the vehicle. All right, guys, so we wanted to show you the finished product. Once we got the bumper back and that, you can not see it underneath the bumper. It is flush with that. This was a pretty easy, simple task once you get the bumper off. It took us about 20 minutes to put the new one on. So this does finish up this portion of our modification Stinger, so we will see you next time.